disassembly, and storage. To remove the compression module, first ensure that the device is turned off. Push down on the module and rotate it approximately 90 degrees in either direction. Next, lift the compression module from the frame. Place the compression module in the appropriate storage section of the carrying case. Next, release the frame from the backboard using the release levers and place it in its storage section of the carrying case. Pack the backboard in the carrying case on top of the fabric flap in the case that covers and protects the compression module. Add other items like the stabilization strap, AC adapter, spare battery pack, user manual, and extra pips. Maintenance after each use to ensure device's readiness. Make sure the battery pack is fully charged. Check the condition of the system. Make sure the carrying case contains accessories including patient interface pads, AC adapter, and stabilization strap. Make sure the patient interface pad is installed on the compression module. Make sure at least one unused patient interface pad is stored in the carrying case. Turn the device on to perform a self-test. Make sure the piston is retracted and the pause indicator comes on, with no warning indicators.